Hi friends, welcome back to my channel YVS Crochet Art. Today's video is all about how to crochet a granny square flower motif which can be used for making bedspread, sofa throw or pillow cover. So the yarn that I have used here is a 4-ply 100% acrylic bought from the Pradhan embroidery stores, and the hook is of 2.5 mm. So first make a slip knot and work on 6 chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make a slip stitch into the starting chain. Now work on 2 chain and consider this as 1 double crochet stitch and work on 15 more double crochets in this round 1. So totally we have to get 16 double crochets at the end. Work till the end. So after working on 16 double crochets in round 1, we have to make a slip stitch into the second chain. Plus 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn and hide the tail behind its back. Now I am taking another color that is of yellow and work on a slip stitch. Pull through the first round and work on 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch and yarn over, pull through. We have to do it 4 times. So 2, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through. 3, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through. 4. Now yarn over, pull through all through and work on 2 chain. 1, 2. A puff will be formed. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch between the 2 double crochets and work on 4 times. Yarn over, pull through 4 times. Now yarn over, pull through all and work on 2 chain 1 and 2. Again into the next stitch, work on 4, yarn over, pull through 4 times. Now yarn over, pull all through the and work on 2 chain 1 and 2. So in the similar manner work till the end. So totally we have to get 16 puffs, and at the end of round 2 work on a slip stitch into the second chain plus 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn and hide the tail behind its back. Now I am taking another color that is of red color yarn and insert in between any of the 2 puffs, make a slip stitch and join to the round 2 and work on 3 chain 1, 2 and 3 and consider this as 1 double crochet and work on 2 double crochets together. 1, 2 and 3. So we'll get 4 loops on the hook 1, 2, 3, 4 and yarn over, pull through all the 4 together and work on 3 chain 1, 2 and 3. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain space between the two puffs and work on 4 double crochets together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will get 5 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and yarn over, pull through all the 5 and work on 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Again, insert the hook into the next chain space between the two puffs in between and work on 4 double crochets together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll get 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 5 loops and work on 3 chain. Similarly, continue till the end. So after working on all, the flower motif will be appearing like this. Now work on a slip stitch into the third chain and work on 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn. Now I am taking white color yarn and joining in between of the 4 double crochets together in between chain space. Work on a slip stitch and join the white yarn to the round 3 and work on 3 chain. Now work on 2 double crochets into the same chain stitch. 1 and 2. Consider the 3 chain as 1 double crochet. Now into the next chain space in between the 2 double crochet stitches, work on 3 half double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And into the next chain space, work on 3 double crochets. 1, 2 3. Into the next chain space, work on 3 triple crochets. Okay. 1, 2 3. After working on 3 triple crochets, work on 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Again work on 3 triple crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. So the first corner has been made. First corner of the granny square. Again into the next chain space, we have to work on 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. After working on 3 double crochets, we have to work on 3 half double crochets into the next chain space. 1, and 3. And into the next chain space, work on 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And into the next chain space, we have to work on 3 triple crochets. This is the second corner of the granny square. 1, 2 and 3. Now again work on 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Again work on 3 triple crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Again into the next we have to work on 3 triple crochets, and into the next stitch we have to work on 3 half double crochets, and we have to continue till the end. Now we have to work on a slip stitch into the second chain plus 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn. So the granny square flower motif has been ready. Hide the tail behind its back. If you like the content of my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt regarding to this video, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.